Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Painter's algorithm. Painter's algorithm is one of the visible surface detection algorithm. It is also called as priority field algorithm or depth sort algorithm. This idea was developed by Newell and Sanja. It is one of the simplest solutions to the visibility problem in 3D computer graphics. When projecting a 3D scene onto a 2D plane, it is necessary at some point to decide which polygons are visible and which are hidden. This decision for checking is taken by Painter's algorithm. The name Painter's algorithm refers to the technique employed by many painters for painting distant parts of a scene before parts which are nearer, thereby covering some of distant parts. The Painter's algorithm sorts all the polygons in a scene by their depth and then paints them in a depth sort order, that is farthest to closest. It will paint over the parts that are normally not visible. We'll take an example. If a painter wants to paint a picture, then firstly he will paint background. Then he will try to paint mountains or greenery which is at the farther. Then he will paint the object which is at minimum distance. So here the painter will sort the objects according to the distance and then paint the object. Therefore, it is named as Painter's algorithm because it is based on painting. Here are some steps for Painter's algorithm. First, sort surfaces in order of decreasing depth. Surfaces are scanned, converted in order starting with the polygon of greatest depth. Draw faces from back to front. Sort surfaces or polygons by their depth. Draw object in order. Closer object, paint over the top of farther away object. Now look into this picture. In this first picture, we will draw the background of the picture. Then we will draw the most distant picture, that is mountains, over the background so that mountains will overlap some portion of the background color. Then we will paint some of the grass over the mountains. Now according to depth sort, the next objects are painted which are trees, which overlaps the grass. According to this, the new layer of the paint covers the old layer so that the lowest layer is visible. In the last picture, some portions of the picture are visible and some are hidden. In this way, a picture is painted according to depth sort algorithm or Painter's algorithm. Let's see this diagram to understand the projection of object on 2D plane. In left diagram, the projections of blue line is plotted first as it is farthest from the screen. Then red line is plotted over the blue line so that the blue line becomes overlapped or hidden by the red line. Now see in right diagram, the projection of red line is plotted first as it is distant from the screen. Then blue line is plotted over the red so that a part of red line is hidden by the blue line. Advantages of Painter's algorithm. It is simple and easy to use. It handles transparent objects nicely. Disadvantages. The polygon has to sort first. Second, it needs to sort polygons in order to resolve cyclic and interesting objects. Thank you for watching this lecture.